Add chicken drumsticks to boiling water and you will be surprised by the result. Start by adding 1 liter of water in a skillet over medium to low heat. Once the water begins to boil, add 1 kilo of chicken drumsticks. Cover the skillet and let them cook for 10 minutes. After this time has passed, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Stir until incorporated. Cover the skillet and let everything cook for another 5 minutes. Now, stir to prevent the drumsticks from sticking to the bottom of the skillet. And add 3 crushed garlic cloves, 50 milliliters of soy sauce, and stir until the sauce has reduced. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Next, add 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and stir again. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. This is the right point. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Add chives to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.